Hello and welcome to Weetzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. Well, welcome back to the channel. Had an absolutely terrible day of carving yesterday. And it wasn't the carve, this is what came out. The carve was worked really well. But my equipment, I'm actually recording on my phone right now because my regular camera and the microphone and everything, and nothing worked. The exposure was off, the settings were off, so it didn't capture what I wanted it to capture. That's the way it goes. So, but the carving came out pretty cool. This is my first blue heron. I'll show some of the stuff that I did save, and as I'm talking about it and stuff. So instead of, obviously I burned it and I left it whole, which I really like. Did some negative space stuff, but instead of using paint, I just used stains. And I tried through the airbrush. That was another thing that failed miserably yesterday. So I'm done with the airbrushing. So I ended up just brushing this on and then lightly feathering it out, which I really enjoy. It's stained, so it should patina really nice because I'm going to set this outside. And then it dried really quick, so I just put a coat of polyurethane on it, and it came out really good. The one thing I have to say though is, cut.
Please hang up and try again.
Well, one thing I had an opportunity with yesterday, I got a new toy. So here it is. What a giant, right? The Echo CS2511P. Supposedly North America's smallest gas-powered chainsaw. So unbelievable. This thing, look at it. It's nothing. I mean, it's just the maneuverability. The detail work I can do with this. Now, it came with this 12-inch bar, an 050 chain, so I'm going to change this out to a carving chain, so I'll have a dime tip on here. But unbelievable maneuverability. I can get into places, and it's super powerful, so just unbelievable. So Echo, man, great product, great product. So you'll be seeing a lot more of this in my videos. Other than that, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm just gonna do a couple shots of this and we'll call it good, and we'll see you on the next video.